Well, on the news hour tonight, we have with us Devinder Rana. He's provincial president of the National Conference, live from Jammu. We'll just get him on the screen up there. Dr. Mehboob Beg will be joining us later. General Shankar Prasad is with us from Delhi. General B.S. Jaswal, former Army Commander, Northern Command. General Bakshi with me in the studios here. Maruf Raza, Strategic Affairs Analyst. I'm also going to be joined by Sanjay Jha. Samir Kaul will be joining us, is with us from the PDP, who is with us in our studios. And Meenakshi Lekhi of the BJP. I think I've done the first round of introductions. Sanjay Jha, welcome. It's a big panel. Should we go straight to the point? Now, Devinder Rana, let me begin with you. Don't you think, Mr. Rana, it is slightly opportunistic for you representing a government which allegedly has, if you believe VK Singh, it has the bribe taker? You don't remove the minister, but you question the army chief. How opportunistic is that, Devinder Rana?
I don't think, Mr. Goswami, this is opportunistic at all. The former Army Chief, General Vijay Kumar Singh, has made some very reckless remarks and unsubstantiated remarks. He has backtracked, he came forward with certain remarks, then he backtracked, then he changed his remarks. It seems as if now he's trying to sensationalize things by saying that all the ministers have been paid. We as the National Conference have taken a very clear stand that if the ministers have been paid according to what he says, then we have demanded a judicial probe by a sitting judge of the Supreme Court to unravel the truth. We want the truth to come forward. We want the nation to know what the truth is all about.
I think Mr. Rana should recuse himself from this discussion.
No, one second.
Mr. Rana should recuse himself from this discussion.
One second,
because he's a party to all this nonsense that has been happening and impinging on the rights, fundamental rights of the peace-loving average citizens of Jammu Kashmir.
This is not nonsense.
He has no right to be in the discussion.
There is no nonsense
because he's a party to it.
There is no nonsense. Army chief, I think the army chief is not behaving, former army chief is not behaving like a soldier. These are reckless remarks. I think he's talking about people to be tried for treason. He should be tried for treason. I don't think the army should approve of something like this.
I resent this.
General
I resent this. The armed forces as a collectivity resent this because we have been at the receiving end of a series of innuendos.
Let me tell you.
We were told first, excuse me, please give me a chance to reply.
Please, 1 minute.
You know,
let him complete. Okay, one second. Devinder Rana, what? Let him complete.
Mr. Goswami,
Devinder Rana has the right to complete.
1 minute. Mr. Goswami, 1 minute.
What will he complete? 1987. Do you think you would have had a Sayyid Salahuddin? He was a Maulvi Yusuf Shah. All he did was to participate in the Indian democratic process and fight an election.
So 1 minute. Samir,
that's how the whole thing started.
There's no point to be in this debate.
They're trying to be holier than thou.
Samir Kaul, 1 minute.
Let us not link the army with this debate. This is not the army chief who's speaking. It is a former army chief who's speaking. He does not represent the Indian Army. Indian Army is a steel frame of Indian democracy. We should not bring the army into this debate. Army is an apolitical organization. We are discussing a statement of an individual called General Vijay Kumar Singh, who happened to be the army chief, but today is espousing to be a politician. I am talking about the statement of Vijay Singh, who was a political activist, and we are not talking about the army. Please do not.
Can I ask you something?
Army has.
Can I ask you something?
This is
why Devinder Rana?
Chief of the army. It is not the present chief of the army staff, and it is General VK Singh, a former chief of the army staff, who is aiming to join politics and who has espousing political aspirations.
Mr. Rana,
yes.
Mr. Rana, are you responding? Are you responding looking a little nervous tonight? Are you responding a little nervously?
No, I'm not.
Are you worried about? Can I just ask you a more basic question? Allow me, please. You see,
please
Mr.
Go ahead.
If there is nothing in what he has said, if the General VK Singh is lying, then pray may I ask you tonight, why are you looking so edgy? Why are you looking so nervous? If no single minister has taken a Naya Paisa from VK Singh, then why are you looking nervous?
Mr. Because he's worried. His name may be on the list.
If you have nothing to hide.
I am not.
Yes.
We have nothing to hide. We have asked for a transparent probe. And this claim has been made by the army chief. The onus lies on him to reveal the names. We want the names to be revealed. So far as the National Conference ministers are concerned, they have given it in writing that they had nothing to do with the army at all. And having that on record, I think there is nothing that we have to hide. So far as Ghulam Hasan Mir is concerned, whether somebody likes it or not, he is a representative of our coalition partners. And we leave it to his conscience to respond. And I think at an appropriate level, it will be taken up. Yes?
No, Mr. Rana, just 1 minute. You are going a bit ballistic. You have spun the general's claims that money was paid to Jammu and Kashmir politicians as an issue of morality, as an issue of probity. Now the general has claimed, he has said, clarified, the money is not a bribe, money is not for personal use, but to aid the democratic government of Jammu and Kashmir to maintain peace. In other words, he's saying this money is not interference in your state affairs, but more to assist you. 1 minute. Maruf is responding to you. I'll come back to you, sir, after that. Maruf.
Mr. Rana and Arnab, couple of points.
Yeah.
Mr. Rana says that this claim is not by the army, but General VK Singh, who is making this claim in his own capacity. If he is making this claim in his own capacity, why is it making headlines? It's making headlines because he's former army chief. He saw and he oversaw some of this happening, and he has now come out in public and making an admission which many of us knew all along was an activity that has happened in democratic India. We are worried about a 200 crore budget of the intelligence bring of the army, which is being used by the Government of India and the Ministry of Defence for a whole lot of activities, perhaps to spread democracy, perhaps to win the hearts and minds. Operation Sadbhavna is something which is well known to everybody, and in parts of Jammu and Kashmir, as you would know very well, Mr. Rana, and so many others, where the civil administration is either non-existent or dysfunctional, the army is the only one which is in association with the civil administration stabilizing the situation. Secondly, it just doesn't happen in J&K. It has been happening in India's northeast also, where funds are transferred and the process of democracy and getting people back into mainstream Indian democratic framework takes place through these initiatives.
You're justifying.
I am saying this happens. I'm not justifying. I'm saying, and let those people, Arnab, come out in public and deny this doesn't happen. It happens. All the people in South Block who are now uneasy in their chairs that somebody has finally spoken up. That is what is worrying people.
You are saying VK Singh was giving money with South Block's approval?
Not VK. Well, yes, he has said yesterday on your interview that the defense minister is privy to it.
Why do you believe him, and why don't you believe Devendra?
Well, I believe anybody who is in a position of authority and goes on camera and makes a statement of this nature.
Devendra Rana is responding.
Let me also tell you, Arnab, that in the 60s, Bakshi Ghulam Mohammed was also recipient of a lot of funds in J&K. In the 80s, Farooq Abdullah was removed in 84 because a lot of horse trading took place with his own party members who were bought out. This is all recorded in MJ Akbar's book. I'm not saying it. This is all documented. So
you're saying
what are we talking about? So you think Kashmiri politicians are any different today?
1 second. So you're saying tonight that Devendra Rana is being holier than thou, so Devendra Rana...
I don't know Mr. Rana from Adams. I'm not going to pass judgment on him, but I'm saying what is recorded, is published.
His turn to respond. Yes, please.
Maruf Raza, you're talking of Operation Sadbhavna and other issues. Those are other issues. We are discussing the operative part of the secret intelligence unit which was reporting to the army chief and was working outside the protocol of the national security grid and was a part of an operation which was being conducted under his direct supervision, as we understand from the reports that have emanated.
I think you get your facts right.
You just changed your stance, Mr. Rana. That TSD wasn't it. You want to discuss about TSD? Let's discuss about TSD.
Let me complete.
The fact of the matter is...
Let me complete. Operation Sadbhavna is different from paying money to the politicians and the ministers. Our question is that if
politician is in your cabinet,
have been paid for.
The politician is in your cabinet.
Yes.
The politician.
Yes.
No, 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute.
No denial.
Devendra Rana, 1 minute. You stand corrected. The politician is in your cabinet, and 1 minute, allow me to complete.
Yes.
This is how your chief minister's uncle and National Conference leader Mustafa Kamal describes this politician. He says he was brought up in the army's lap. The IB lent him its hand and the Congress made him a minister. He is a man of the security establishment. So tell me, if your chief minister's uncle describes this minister in this way, and allegedly you believe that the army chief is talking here about paying off this man, why are you keeping him in the cabinet? Sack him tomorrow? Why don't you sack him?
Maybe he gets sacked in the process.
Side, why don't you sack him?
He represents the coalition Congress. He is in the cabinet by virtue of the coalition partner, the Congress.
Oh, so it's a compulsion of politics. That's all right.
The Congress.
Why is political horse trading acceptable? Why is political horse trading acceptable, but not measures implement good governance?
In keeping with the coalition dharma.
I don't think you have a monopoly for hogging this case today. Arnab, I think some facts need to be corrected here. Some facts need to be corrected, Mr. Rana.
By now he would have been sacked. Or he would have resigned, because National Conference believes in probity and transparency.
Whether it's a National Conference,
how do we care? How do we care? How do we care, Mr. Rana, whether he's a National Conference minister, Congress minister, or any minister?
He is part of your ministry.
He is a part of your minister. He reports to your chief minister.
Let me correct you. Let me correct you.
He is in the Council of Ministers by virtue of the fact that he belongs to the ally and associate member of the
as if it was
party.
his personal fiefdom. Mr. Rana, can you please give somebody else a chance? The Technical Support Division is not the personal fiefdom of General V.K. Singh. It was conceived of after the 26/11 Mumbai attacks. It was at the highest level of the NSA. It was then the case was taken up in General Kapoor's time. The thing came through only in the time of General V.K. Singh. And it has conducted a number of very useful operations. We in the army are deeply hurt.
That justifies paying a minister.
No, we in the army
paying a minister. Does that justify paying a minister, sir?
It justifies
paying a minister,
safeguarding the national interest.
And paying a minister for it.
What were you paying
a minister for it? The minister has been paid for.
Paying a minister for it.
The minister has been paid for.
Paid for
organizing cricket matches.
Was minister being paid for Operation Sadbhavna?
The Kashmir Premier League, who is financing it? It is to get the people, the children of Jammu and Kashmir into the national mainstream.
Meenakshi, one minute at a time. I think we're getting the other panelists into the debate. We can't keep the other panelists out of the debate. Devendra Rana.
Politics of Jammu and Kashmir. Is it
Devendra Rana, keep one thing in mind.
In the political democracy of Jammu and Kashmir? No.
Ask New Delhi that. Ask New Delhi that, Mr. Rana, because the army in India doesn't operate outside the terms of reference laid down by South Bloc. Please understand how Indian democracy works and how the military works within that. If the army chief has made a statement or anybody else has made a statement, it has the blessings of his higher superiors. And that is the point that is being made.
Meenakshi Lekhi, 1 minute. Please, gentlemen, let's go into the political debate. Devendra Rana.
It is not the army. It is General V.K. Singh's personal bias. Personal bias of General V.K. Singh.
One second. Please.
And he made a statement on your channel.
Please also let us not presume. General Shankar Prasad, Meenakshi Lekhi. General Shankar Prasad, Meenakshi Lekhi and Sanjay Jha will come into the debate. And my question here is...
We know that he always had a bias against National Conference.
Sir, please understand all this.
Even the top echelons of the army in Jammu and Kashmir were posted while he was the army chief would bear me out that he always had a bias against National Conference because he had certain close relationships with certain political operators, dubious political operators and political parties who he got associated with in South Kashmir when he was the GOC of the Victor Force. It is a fact known to the army. It is also a fact which was known to all the commanders who were posted here when he was the army chief. Please ask those commanders on oath what all direction he was doing into the political matters of Jammu and Kashmir.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. I go. Devendra Rana, allow me to come in because you must remember that even though the general says all the money, you see, the general, this is a covert operation. You will never know what the money was used for. And whether it was used for roads or cricket or something else, we'll never know. So, but I want to ask Meenakshi Lekhi and Sanjay Jha. Meenakshi Lekhi and Sanjay Jha, Devendra Rana.
with all responsibility,
Meenakshi Lekhi.
with all responsibility,
Mr. Devendra Rana, have the
General
patience
VK
to listen to
with all
others also.
General VK Singh was biased against the
Devendra
National
Rana.
Conference always.
You know,
There was
this is
playing
too much
into
of
the
it.
hands
Devendra
of
Rana.
two operatives.
This gentleman has said, and
No, because this is
What's
I'll request you
Devendra
to
Rana,
reduce
Meenakshi
his
Lekhi is
volume
responding to
because
you.
there's no way of a debate.